Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, dark green color, light green color, purple color, black color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color. Red color. A for apple. Dark green color. B for bus. Yellow color. C for car. Purple color. D for dress. Dark blue color. E for egg. Pink color. F for fruits. Light green color. G for glass. Orange color. H for house. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Violet color. J for jellyfish. Black color. K for kite. Brown color. L for lion. Red color. M for mango. Dark blue color. N for nurse. Pink color. O for orange. Light green color. P for parrot. Brown color. Q for question. Purple color. R for ring. Dark green color. S for sky. Sky blue color. T for train. Violet color. U for universe. Yellow color. V for van. Dark green color. W for watch. Orange color. X for X-ray. Black color. Y for yam. Red color. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Red color, sky blue color, brown color, dark blue color, yellow color, violet color, orange color. Let's try to draw some 2D shapes. Trapezoid.
ABCD, EFG, HIJK, LMN.
triangle. Right triangle.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Circle. Hexagon. Sun. Trapezoid, triangle, right triangle, circle, hexagon, sun. Dark blue color. Trapezoid. Triangle. Orange color. Right triangle. Red color. Circle. Dark green color. Hexagon. Yellow color. Orange color. Sun. Trapezoid, triangle, right triangle, circle, hexagon, sun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.